Very quick tip, this one. If you're sketching on a surface, so here we just got body, a few extruded cuts, and you want to make some sketches, and your snapping tool can help you out a lot with snapping, but sometimes it just sketch on the surface there. Sometimes it works against you a little bit for certain things you don't want to do. So if you want to temporarily deactivate the snap, so first of all, let's just show it snapping to start with. So draw a line on here. You see it snap to that point, and we can snap to there, and then we can go up here. All these nice automatic relationships, they're all jumping out at us here, highlighted in orange. Super useful. We can go to the center here. It's all brilliant stuff. All very clever, right? But sometimes you want to sketch quite close to things and not have all of that going on, and particularly if your models become quite complicated and quite dense with what's going on, you've got such a plethora of snapping going on there that it can be useful if you can just kind of freehand it. So in order to do that, if you go, let's say, to draw a line again, snap on the first point and start drawing a line, and it's trying to pick up all these references. If you press and hold the control key down, which I'm now doing, you'll see when I go over all those points here, there's no horizontals, no verticals, no nothing. It doesn't try and make any automatic relations to anything. So it gives you this chance to freehand. You can freehand really kind of close to this point, which would normally snap, and really close in here, you know, right up to this center, but it doesn't snap on it. So if there's circumstances where you want to snap, it's great. But if you want to temporarily switch off automatic relations that Solidworks is going to look for you, being clever, just press and hold the control key, and it'll let you freehand without all that clever stuff going on. Hope this helps.